In today's marketplace, there's no longer such a thing as a simple food business. When I began working with food entrepreneurs back in the 1990s, there was a pretty basic set of steps that food entrepreneurs took, and making food to sell was pretty simple. However, as food began to travel through more hands, with more links in the supply chain, specific categories of food business have sprung up. And for each of the categories, there's a set of expectations associated with safe, legal food preparation and sales. That's why when I'm asked what a food entrepreneur needs to do, my stock answer has become, it depends. Because there are different standards for food businesses based on the type of food that you want to create, the way you're going to market and sell that product, where the kitchen, the food process, is located, and finally, the amount of revenue that is generated. So the size of your business. That will create different answers to our questions.